I'm Trudy with Heal, Wellness, and Therapy. Today we are going to use essential oils to help you stress better. Now, quick thought. Did you know that you have nerves that come out of your cranium, your skull, and you use those nerves for your senses? And smelling, olfactory nerve number 1 of your cranial nerves, has direct communication with your brain. What that means? If we use sense, it actually directly impacts how our brain works. So today, I want to teach you how to use an aromatherapy stick to scent and increase communication with your brain to diminish your stress and anxiety. So what do we need to make an aromatherapy stick? 1, clinical therapeutic grade essential oils. I am a wellness consultant and I use doTerra products. But consumeradvocate.org will list the top 10 essential oil companies that are recommended for use for therapeutic grade. The second item you will need to make an aromatherapy stick is aromatherapy stick tools. These can be offered to you on Amazon.com, or you can get them in any local store that sells essential oils. Below in the description, you will see affiliated links for the products that we will be using today. So let's talk about the essential oils that we're going to be using today. The first product we'll be using is lavender. Now, lavender has been used for millennia to help combat depression and anxiety and actually aid sleep. There are over 800 studies proving the efficacy of lavender for aiding stress, depression, and anxiety. The second essential oil that we'll be using is lemon. Now, did you know that lemon is in the top 5 essential oils used to treat the symptoms of depression? We all know its antimicrobial effects. Think about how many cleaning agents you know that have lemon in them, whether they're the real essential oil or not. Our third essential oil that we'll be using for our aroma stick is bergamot. Now, it is certainly nowhere near as common as lemon or orange when we think of citrus, but it is very similar to a lime and grapefruit mix as far as a citrus is concerned, but it's bitter. Today, we will be using it in our aroma stick to help combat stress because it is in the top 5 list of essential oils that help with anxiety and depressive symptoms. Really cool research study that came out in 2016. They took a healthcare room where people were waiting. 45 individuals, split them into 2 groups, used air diffusers, where you place water within a diffuser and either add essential oil or don't add essential oil. They then took on weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7 and just placed the diffusers with plain water in there. On weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8, those same diffusers with bergamot. And here's what the results told us. All human beings, our brains are built to have a negative bias, meaning we immediately have a negative thought before we have a positive thought. Those individuals that were in that waiting room on weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8 that had the bergamot in the room, they were filling out surveys. And on their surveys, they were 17% more likely to have a positive thought and almost 10% less likely to write negative thoughts. It's a pretty big change, if you ask me, in just a mere 15 minutes of sitting there. Our fourth and final essential oil, sandalwood. Interestingly enough, 15 years to harvest. The sandalwood trees, 4 areas in our world: India, Indonesia, Australia, and Hawaii, which is where this one is from. Now, when using sandalwood, it is often called the harmonizer essential oil, meaning it's a soothing essential oil. Another essential oil that is often used with it, again on that top 5 list, is ylang ylang. Today we will be using sandalwood, but it is a little pricier. So at home, if you don't have sandalwood in the same aromatherapy for stress that we're using today, you could just substitute that for ylang ylang. Now let's get to making our aromatherapy stick. So when you buy a package of the tools, generally speaking, they come with a cotton sealed pad. If you don't buy a whole package and all you're getting is the nasal inhaler, then you can use an organic cotton pad to place your essential oils on. Beginning with lavender, we're going to do 5 drops of every one of our essential oils onto or in the cotton pad. As you're placing the oil into the pad, allow drop by drop to occur until you get 5 drops. I like to, between oils, turn my cotton stick so that I know that I'm getting an equal amount of each. But it's 5 of lavender, 5 of lemon, 5 of bergamot, and finally 5 of sandalwood. Now, watch out with this one. Like I said, it's pricey. It's also a little thicker, so when you start with sandalwood, you do need to kind of tap it a little bit unless you're actually using a dropper. Once you have 5 drops of all of your oils, to finish making your aromatherapy stick, you insert it in, and then you close the top and snap. I oftentimes will just hit it to make sure that it's fully sealed. Finally, once you have your aromatherapy stick made, how to use it. Now, don't laugh, but when we think about our nervous system, we know that we have 5 cranial nerves that are connected to our relax and renew and rest nervous system, also called the parasympathetic nervous system. So of those 5 cranial nerves, some of them control our face and our eyes. Some of them control our mouth. Others control our organs of digestion and other visceral organs. There are some great videos out there in tapping into your parasympathetic nervous system with breathing exercises. When using an aromatherapy stick, there's a really good way to fully make yourself relax. Using the stick, starting with the left nostril. We know that the left nostril really connects to our more relaxation or moon side of our energies. Inserting the aromatherapy stick while your eyes are nice and soft and there is a smile on your face. Taking a nice deep inhale for a minimum of 2 counts or 4 count, and then simply saying, ah, as you exhale. So watch me and make your own aromatherapy stick and see how it goes. Inserting into the left, taking a deep inhale, soft eyes, smile on the face. Right nostril, soft eyes, smile on the face. Not only letting these essential oils positively affect your nervous system, but changing how you use your nervous system with your breath and your face. So hopefully your new aromatherapy stick will help you learn how to stress better. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up below, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next to subscribe, you'll see that bell. Select that bell and you will be notified every time we release a new video. Thanks for joining me.